In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under communication process, a subtopic in Ace to Trade, and we have about 12 to 14 repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the last step of communication is we have source, encoder, decoder, feedback. So the right answer is option D, which is feedback. The next repeated question is this one. It says, the transmission of telephone services from one country to another is facilitated by we have communication satellite, interconnectivity, international facility, internet services. The right answer is option A, which is communication satellite. Next repeated question is this one. It says communication process involves the transmission of a message over a selected channel today. We have encoder, receiver, audience, sender. The right answer is option B, which is receiver. Very important. Next question is this one. It says a communication process providing information for decision making in an organization is the management of information system, information retrieval system, file transfer protocol, transmission control protocol. The right answer is option A, which is management of information system. Okay, next question is this one. It says a two-way process which involves sending and receiving of messages referred to as, so it's very simple communication, option A. Alright, next question is this one. It says use the diagram below to answer this question. In the communication process, Y represents the encoder, option A, whereas X represents the receiver. Okay, the next repeated question is this one. It says a step-by-step method of carrying out function in an office is known as we have program, procedure, organization, policy. The right answer is option B, which is procedure. Okay, next question is this one. It says use the diagram below to answer this question. So X represents the receiver, whereas the Y represents the encoder. Okay, next question is this one. It says the best mode of ensuring that items posted get to the name addressee is through where recorded delivery, express mail, registered mail, certificate of posting. So the right answer is option C, which is through registered mail. Okay, next repeated question is this one. It says which of the following is used to inform the addressee that he has registered parcel for collections. The right answer is option A, which is slip. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the last step of communication is feedback. Okay, option C, that's the right answer. Next question is this one. It says the kind of communication from a superior to a subordinate in an organization is referred to as we have downward communication, upward communication, lateral communication, horizontal communication. The right answer is option A, which is downward communication. Very important. Next question is this one. It says in which of the following with the number of words used determine the cost of message sent. We have telephone, telegram, telus, email. The right answer is option B, which is telegram. The last question for end this video is this one. It says the most reliable and efficient means of conveying urgent document is through we have courier services, ordinary letters, postal order, registered letter. The right answer is option A, which is courier services. So guys, this is basically you can do with problems involving communication process, a subtopic in Ace to Trade for your JAMB commerce. We practice with about 12 to 14 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure the part of the channel membership by click on the join button and be getting premium information and help you to sell in your exams like a JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.